Cambium has been doing exceptionally well. In fact, whatever we have planned, the numbers that we got was much beyond the planned number. So, in one word, we are doing phenomenally very well. Yeah, it's a great opportunity for us. I mean, advertising happening across India, and some of the projects like Smart City, Digital India, are the two key initiatives of the Prime Minister of India, and we are participating in a big way. It's getting momentum. It's getting momentum. So our controller is a cloud-based. So I think that with the advent of newer technologies and customer looking at all the options, so it's certainly it's getting a huge momentum. So most all the service providers are our customers. Most service providers, and in the large campuses, education, private education, and government educations, they are using it. Yeah. So we stand for what we call as total cost of ownership, and technology which is a world-class at affordable price. So sometimes you see the products which has got many fancy bells and whistles and features which customer don't use but end up paying the price. So what we have done as a Cambium, that we have taken those fancy items that 90% of the prospect and customer don't use it and reduce the price. So I say that when you come to the price performance ratio, we outbeat everybody. Yeah. So we want to triple the revenue in a couple of years. Yeah, so that I'm saying very conservative number. We are participating in technology seminars and roadshow like this that we are here. Also, we are talking to the government agencies, telecom service providers. And if you look at see, our mission is connect person, place, and thing, right? So places like Northeast, we are number one, and we have a huge install base, and undoubtedly we are number one. So still the knowledge of RF technology is not to that level that we expected to have. So we are propagating the technology message, and thereby we are getting the mind share of decision makers. Right? So if the Prime Minister wants to reach every village where the fiber is not there, RF is the only way to go. Yes, we have a few smart cities orders, and some of the government service providers orders, and some of the smart cities, some of the government providers, and some of the cities like historical importance of Banaras, the hotspot is done by us, and government is huge vertical. Basically, I would say that government and service provider is like a two big vertical for us. So we have a very robust channels system in place. So we are a channel-driven company, but we do believe in direct touch. So we don't build directly. And the way we differentiate ourselves, that if the customer or partner works with us, either we win or lose with the partner. So we reward the work that has been done by the partner. So we are very, very careful about that, right? So yeah. In the process, if we have to sacrifice some orders, we'll do that. But channel ecosystem will be, you will witness in a couple of years that entirely different. The role model for any channel partner. So we have Reddington and Ingram both. Recently we are in. Basically, what we call it a solution provider or Wi-Fi solution provider, system integrator. So they buy from distributors and distributor buy from us. Okay. And we have other distributors as well, like Zen Exim, which is a national distributor, and we have some Convergent and Telexel and some regional distributors. So. It's a very tough question because the growth is huge. What we see that we are just scratching the surface. And I will not be able to give the number because the more I get into it, I realize that I mean we're just on the surface, right? So when you talk to me, maybe a couple of quarters, I'll tell you. But I am getting surprised every day the kind of opportunity that I see. Cambium, we are a technology company. We differentiate ourselves, like I explained previously to you, that technology at affordable price, and we are definitely a leader without any doubt in price performance. And India is a huge growth market for us, and we have R&D center in India, and some of the features that customers look at, we turn around in less than a month, and that's our differentiator. That's our differentiator, right? So we understand the customer pain area and work around the pain area, and suppose a customer needs a small, just to give you an analogy, that's the customer wants to go from A to B, and he can go by car, will not give them a truck, right? So we are very careful about saving customer money, at the same time giving them the best quality product, world-class product, right? So Cambium is a privately held company, and quarter over quarter we are growing very well, exceptionally well, not only in India, worldwide. India is a key market. Our CEO Atul Bhatnagar is from India, and he understands the India pain point, and there is huge focus on India, and some of the products we ship worldwide has been designed in our Bangalore lab. We are as a Cambium, we are a very exciting stage of our journey, and India, I run India and neighboring countries. So India is I think one of the, for technology companies, one of the best place to be in, and the Prime Minister has unleashed a series of initiatives which will give the big boost to the Wi-Fi and point-to-point, RF technologies. So e-governance, in many ways we are contributing to the society. That e-governance with the far-flung villages in Panchayat where they don't have the fiber, the only way to go is RF, and we are working very, very closely with the government, and making sure the citizens get the quality bandwidth, and all the e-governance work, like getting the certificate, all the small Panchayat works, age certificate, all these things are done without any interruption, seamlessly. Very important, right? So, in fact, some of the big cases that we have got inroads into because of the efforts of R&D. The others couldn't do, we could do, because we have a local R&D here. We are thinking about it to expand it. Yeah. Okay. So we are moving to a bigger facility in Bangalore. Yeah. Almost doubling the headcounts.